This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can perform a pre-flight check on this drone. So while you are inside the FIMI Navi Mini app, and while inside the camera view interface, tap at the Ready to Go button or section over here, and here you'll see the pre-flight check menu. So while in it, you can adjust the height of the return to home option. You can change the fail-safe action as well, or the signal lost action between hover, land, and return to home. See the current aircraft battery power or the amount of remaining battery. Switch the joystick mode between three available modes should I say, or format your SD card. And well, you can also open settings through here, but that's the topic for a whole another video. As far as this one goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.